St. Paul English School. We nurture your future from KG to PG.
Hello everyone, welcome to St. Paul School. My name is Ankita Ma'am and I am going to teach you how to make a paper bag. So are you ready? Let's get started. The things required are color paper, one glue, one scissor and two strap paper. Now I am taking this paper and fold it. You have to follow the same step. Again I am opening this paper and this part I will going to fold again like this. Again this half another part I am going to fold like this. So follow the same step as I am doing. Now take a glue and stick this paper to the another half paper. As you can see how I am sticking now. Stick it properly. Once you've done this, you have to take this portion and fold this portion like this. Properly you have to fold it. Now, make a triangle shape from both the sides. See how I'm doing? You have to follow the same rules. Again, this part you have to fold like this. And this part also hold it the same. Again, take one glue and stick this paper. Properly you have to stick this. Once you've done this, you have to fold this paper and press it nicely. Again, take this part and fold this part as I am doing. Fold it properly. The same step you have to follow for this part also. Now again, turn the page and open these parts. Again, follow the same step. From both the sides. Make sure paper have to be, press it nicely. And open again. Again you have to open this paper. Half work already I have to do. Now open it properly, this back, as I am doing. And take this line and press it nicely. Press it nicely from both the sides, like this. Here also you have to follow the same rule. Press it nicely and join this part. As you can see how I'm doing. So you can see here, almost my work is done. Now again I am folding this part. Now take a scissor and cut out this portion. So as you can see, almost our paper bag is done. Now take a strap, one strap, and fold it. And apply glue one side. Now stick inside the bag. Apply again glue from both the sides for the strap. And stick it again inside the bag. So, as you can see, my paper bag has been done. The paper bag is ready. Hope you like the crafty. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.